19B was the first Atlas designed to go the full 5,500 nautical mile range with an estimated re-entry vehicle. The missile was similar to 12B, which attained this distance in November 1958. Prior to launch,
okay, we're having our yard sale or our estate sale. With a steady flow of customers. So it is.
At any one time, but I think it's been a good crowd.
It is Friday, and people have jobs.
Oh yeah.
So.
True.
But there's a lot of stuff. We got a lot of stuff. And the stuff that doesn't sell this time, it's going. I might cherry pick a few items, but it's going. Because I'm tired of it. Going to be a real impromptu short ran when parked. And we're going to... You want to get rid of that sign? So you can see how... This isn't the guy who bought it. This is the guy who's helped me move it. There we got it. Okay. More in a minute. Well, we'll see if this works. We'll see. Okay, we're going to be towing this car.
Hello, Lee. If we're early, just give us a magazine.
No, money. Just enough for some bread.
You're right. You're only gone for a moment. Who are your friends?
I don't sell.
Did they lock the manhole before they left home?
His name's Nolan.
Yeah? That's a pretty...
I'm going to put it in four-wheel drive.
Roger.
Do you think you can make the turn?
The steering's working, so hopefully, yeah.
Did you take the parking brake off?
Over time.
Okay, watch that driver's side. Okay, so get ready to, I'm going to stop here in just a second. Because that first expansion joint in the concrete, right there. Once you get past that, it's downhill. So I'm stopping here.
Car's not moving.
Be right back. Okay, we're trying to move it.
1302.
Keep going.
Look at the back wheel. That's why it wasn't moving fast.
Because it's got a flat.
Huh?
Because it's got a flat.
Oh, yeah, it's only flat on the bottom, really badly.
I wonder if it'll take air. Well, there it is, all moved out, getting aired up. The tire went flat overnight, and this was the good tire. Well, at least I thought it was good. And when the guy comes and picks it up, I'll show it to you. We are on our way to Tehachapi for Easter. What?
Nothing, I'm waving at the camera. This is aimed at you. It's alright.
I know.
It's alright. Oh, it's Petula Clark. Words won't find you.
Anyway,
like
we're up there for Easter. I don't know how much I'm going to film. Wait a minute. So apparently I've been talking to nobody for 5 minutes. But here we are in beautiful Tehachapi. I didn't film a lot because you were just up here for Thanksgiving dinner. We spent a couple of nights. And we're at a place called Conan's, which is a German bakery here in Tehachapi. And not only is it a bakery, but it's a sandwich shop. You have to excuse me, I'm like allergic to something. It's killing me. Anyway, there's all kinds of people watching me. Don't do that! Anyway, I'm going to put a link up here to my granddaughter's YouTube channel, Baddies MM2 with a capital B in Baddies MM2, and she just puts Roblox videos up. You're not going to be able to leave comments because she's a minor, and But if any of you guys want to just subscribe to her, she'd be happier than a pig in a poke. And if you want to watch little Roblox figures run around and do nothing, I'm sure that the game has a point. Most games have points. And I don't mean like 10 points or 20 points. I'm sure there's a reason or a method to the game. But the majority of the people I watch, when I was watching my grandkids play it, there is no actual point to the game. I'm actually inclined to play it myself to see if there actually is a group of people who adhere to the point. Yeah, I'm allergic to something, and I didn't bring my Claritin. And I have zero plans until next Saturday when I'm going to see Wonder Hussy out in Desert Center. And I really plan to get there an hour or so early. I really want to be there early.
Okay.
Anyway, Mrs. Patrol's back from buying bread, so later, Mater.
2 loaves of what you asked.
We're in the drive-thru at a place called Raros, which has really good food. It's sort of a modern Mexican place. But you can get practically anything you want there. Pretty tasty. The problem is it does take a while to get your food.
Well, you know you're getting fresh food.
They used to have the world's best hamburgers here when I was young. Used to be
in this building.
In this building. It's called Burger Q. This has always been a fast food joint.
What about that one? What did
That used to be the Donut Q.
Donut Q?
Yes.
That's not what it was most recently.
No.
Well, whatever it was most recently, right now it is a social eatery. It's only open when they feel like being open, and you have to follow them on Tumblr. I don't know. You got to follow them on some mysterious social media site so that you know when they're open. And they only make s'mores.
Oh, that's right. It is only s'mores.
Yep.
It's a s'more store.
It's a s'mores store.
And you got to follow them on some weird, obscure.
Well, you could probably follow them on Facebook
like
too.
Quetzal or
whatever.
LinkedIn or something
whatever
like
the
that.
social media du jour is. Whatever the cool kids watch.
On Glyph.
Yeah, we're not one of the cool kids, so we don't get to know.
Yeah. And then when they're open, the place is packed.
Oh yeah.
So they probably make all the money they need to make for a month in one day.
Yeah, maybe a week.
Maybe. Anyway, later. Garage. So here's our lunch. I got a taco and taquitos, and Marlene's got flautas.
Those are the taquitos. Those are the corn shells. These are the flour shells. Those are mine.
Yep.
And then we also went to the German bakery and got Vollkorns and a Graubrot, two raisin scones for me. And that's probably his eclair.
And it's my eclair.
Gilles eclair.
Which is big enough for me to make 2 desserts out of.
Yep, half and half. Anyway, there we go.
Oh, and chips and hot sauce. All right.
Not from the German bakery.
Yum.
Sig alert.
Okay, patrol members, something's going on here on the freeway. The High Patrol's just had a double round robin going on here, which means something has transpired way up ahead. You'll see that there's no traffic beyond that sign. It could be something as bad as an accident, or it could be as something simple as debris in the freeway and they have to pick it up. But apparently we're free to go now, so traffic's picking up. If I discover what the problem was, I'll let you know.
$364 days later.
I got a haircut. I was tired of this. Today's April 29th. No sign of that martial law that Trump is going to declare on the 20th. No. Anyway, I'm not here to be political. I'm here to get a haircut and to crank my AC. Oh man, I'm glad I got that cut. I couldn't take another day with that hair. I know, but man, I like my hair like this. Anyway, more later.
Here's another Big G cereal, Jets.
So get set, get Jets to make your play. Join the Jets team today.
Get the winning flavor of sugar-toasted Jets.